Today we're talking about getting rid of the clutter for a clearer editing experience in Scrivener 3 for Windows. What do I mean by getting rid of the clutter? Well, there are lots of markings you can have in your manuscript, especially if you're writing non-fiction, such as footnotes and comments and website links. You don't necessarily want to see all these markings when you're just looking at the text. They can be distracting, but you need them so you can't delete them. What you can do instead is to hide them. Go to the View menu, Text Editing, and select Hide Markup. That's all there is to it. However, you'll notice that the footnote marker is still there, because I guess it's assumed that's important to know. But you can get rid of those too. You just have to change the defaults. Go to Options, Appearance, and Textual Marks. The Options tab in this section lists what you can hide. So just check footnotes and those markings will disappear too. And when you want to get it all back, go to the View menu, Text Editing, and deselect the tick box. Next time we'll be talking about a couple of useful commands in Scrivener.